Alright guys, so here's how to add or set password in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the left upper side, which is on the file. So you need to tap on the file button and then this dialog box will appear. So from these menus, you need to select the info option. After that, you probably see this option called protect document. So you need to tap on the protect document, and then there will be some different bunch of options. So if you want to set a password with, then you can simply select this option, encrypt with password. All right, then simply select that one, and now you need to type your password in. So let me just type in something real quick and then press on enter, and then again type the password again and tap on OK. So now your document is now password protected. So if you just close the file, and you need to make sure that you have saved your password. So let's just tap on the save, and all right, this is the file. So if you just again open the file, and as you can see, it is asking for password. So if we type the password, boom. So that's how you can password protect document in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll catch you next time.